I'm Brianna Roman, and I live in Poway, San Diego, California, and today I'm going to talk about purple passion fruit. So this purple passion fruit has been in our yard for about a year and a half, and we just got some really good passion fruits today.
What happens when they ripe?
So when they ripe, or when they near ripeness, they fall off the vine, or what holds them.
When they straight on the ground.
Yeah, they just fall straight on the ground.
And we have a few more on the ground.
Yeah, we have a few more. We live in climate zone 10B, which is fairly warm, maybe hot, if you would prefer to say that.
Yeah,
but
and very dry.
Yes, very, very dry. Here we have some unripened, very big passion fruits.
They're decent size, and a few, and it grows fairly fast, right?
Yeah, pretty fast actually.
You can see them. They're everywhere.
Yeah, they're everywhere. It's a very fast growing plant if it has the right materials to grow, like soil, water, sunlight. And do these prefer more sunlight or less sunlight?
I think they love sunlight, but they also love to be watered, so I think it's a combination of the two. They have to. I think they do well in more tropical climates like Hawaii. I know they grow the yellow variety. Also,
or somewhere very warm and dry.
Yeah, it does okay, but it needs to be watered, especially a day like this where it's been super hot and somehow humid. But yeah, they oh, there's actually one right at the top of the vine, and it's stuck there. Let's pick it up.
Oh, I can't see it.
Or
reach it. Oh yeah, I see it now.
It's right here. There you go. And one more. Hold off. So it looks like this. It's been drying, so this is perfect. We'll do a taste test later on to see what it does. So there, a few just stuck there. That's a leaf. All right. So I guess we'll pick up a few more in a day or two once they're done.
Once they're more ripe.
Yeah, they look like probably they're just like a kiwi, but just a little bit bigger. At least then they're not furry.
They don't look
they have no fuzz.
They look like a lime more than a kiwi.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you have any tips or hacks for passion fruit growers?
I think if you want to do a green fence around the house or at your property, I think this is the best vine. I think it grows way faster than any. I would say.
Do they like mulch?
Different vines. Yeah, they do. Like most plants would do better in better soil. I don't have good soil, but I did dig, and I provided a lot of compost and a lot of other nutrients, so it's doing fairly well. All right, that's it. We'll do a taste test in a few minutes, so we'll check it out.
Bye.
Bye.